Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and if you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and indie brands. Today is the April collab with the So Jaded palette. Alright beauties, before we jump in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see. It really does help me out a lot. Subscribe down below if you have not yet, and turn on your little bell notification down there so that YouTube might notify you when I upload a new video, which is typically Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Today's video is my So Jaded collab with my beautiful friend Caitlin over at Cpfashioncosmetics. Each and every single month we dive into our So Jaded palettes and create a birthstone inspired look using the palette. So this month, of course, is the month of April, which is Diamond. So this look, as you can see, I look very wet-like. I have an intense amount of highlighter on for a reason. No blush, no bronzer, no nothing. I really want to be just like super soft, ethereal, and super illuminated to hopefully kind of represent Diamond. I'll quickly let you know what's on my face and then we'll dive in. I went in with my Supergoop Glow Screen SPF. I freaking love this so much. I got this in like a Try Me little bundle kit from Sephora and loved it so much I purchased the full size in the VIB sale. It is beautiful. I've been wearing literally just this. It's stunning on the skin. If you've tried it, comment down below, let me know. I went in with my Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy. This is the shade 205 Light Sand. I set my face with my Halo Glow Setting Powder from e.l.f. in the shade Medium, of course, to kind of keep in theme with the illumination or the diamond properties. And then I went in with my Avon Longwear Foundation, the Cashmere Complexion, and my shade in this is Macadamia. And then I highlighted the living shit out of my face using the Flash Palette from Jaclyn Cosmetics. And I did go in with these two shades right here, of course, quite heavily. You'll see it better when I get up close. And then I primed my eyes with my ABH eye primer. So we're gonna dive in. There is literally one shade called Diamond, and it is a shade that I use quite consistently. It is right here. It is absolutely stunning. I use it almost every single time I use the So Jaded palette, and I use it when I use other palettes as well and push it all the way up to the brow bone. It is just stunning. I don't think it's going to be enough for the look, for the opacity that I'm looking for. So I'm actually going to go into Pearl first, and then we'll play with the Diamond. But that's basically my look, you guys. Literally two shades. Oh yeah, my brows, of course, are Urban Decay Brow Blade in, you know, Brunette Betty. I'm literally going in with Pearl with my fingers. And I am going to go from the lid all the way to the brow bone. Again, there's no contour, there's no blush, there's no nothing. I wanted this to be just very, very soft, very ethereal, very wet looking, very diamond-esque looking. So hopefully it looks okay when I'm done. How are you guys? I hope everybody is well. I think after my refresher, my beach vacation, and a new do, I'm starting to feel a little bit better. Of course, if you battle chronic pain and or mental illness, it is a, you know, it's a lifelong thing. I'm never gonna have a day where I feel perfect, but we can have good days. And I've been having some pretty good days as far as mentally and just feeling a lot better. I think purging my house and going through and really deep cleaning and spring cleaning and getting rid of all the bullshit has just been super helpful for me. And then literally I'm going to go into Diamonds, and it is a softer like Super Shock shadow. I will get up close and show you what it looks like. So you can see there's not a lot of opacity to it. It's just like this beautiful kind of glimmer of a shade. And it just kind of adds to kind of whatever you put it on top of. So I'm wondering what path Caitlin's going to take with the palette. Again, there's only one shade, you know, called Diamond. So not a whole lot for us to choose from in here in the realm of something looking diamond-esque. So I'm excited to see her look. She always kills it. She always knocks her looks out of the park. She is so absolutely beautiful inside and out. She is a friend here on the platform as well as in real life. I adore her so much. She's like a little sister to me. She's also a little smartass. Y'all know I like smartass. If you have a sense of humor, honey, you my kind of people. I like you a lot. Because we all know I moved to the beat of my own drum, honey. But she's so beautiful. She does amazing looks. I love how personable she is. She just sits down and just talks. She just sits down and just talks about whatever's on her mind. And she's so free in doing that. I love that. I love sitting down and binge watching her videos. Especially when I don't feel well. There's something so calming and soothing and beautiful. Even just about her voice. I love her so much. And y'all know what I say. If you go watch her, please take the chance on her. Go watch her. But if you take the chance on her and you go watch and you're feeling a vibe, feeling a connection, you can relate to her. Subscribe. It is free for you.
Free.
and it means the absolute world to both of us. So literally that's all I'm doing, y'all. I'm throwing Diamond all over. I'm going to kind of go a little heavy-handed so that hopefully the sparkles actually show up kind of once I get up close. And if this doesn't work, then I may wet a brush and see what we get. But I do feel like I'm getting a lot of shine. Yes, that's perfect. And again, I'm going all the way up to, oh, I'm so happy this worked out, y'all. Do you ever sit down and like actually kind of plan? I never plan, by the way, typically. Do you ever plan a look and then it just, you know, it doesn't look like what you wanted it to look like? Anybody else? Yeah. So when something actually kind of comes to fruition and it does what Mama wants it to do, I get a little bit proud of myself, y'all. This is gorgeous. Although I have to say I feel quite blank, quite stark and flat because I don't have any kind of like, you know, blush or bronzer or anything. But this is the look that I wanted. And I think if you are a lashes lover, lashes wearer, I think if you had like white feather lashes or just white lashes in general, I think that would pull this look together beautifully. Oh, I like this a lot. And then I'm actually going to take Diamond, hopefully I don't ruin this, and just at the top part up here, I do want to press a little bit of Diamond in. Again, I'm aiming for just quite, you know, luminous, very light catching. So hopefully we get that result. Oh my goodness, yes, that's so pretty. My husband is literally going to look at me like I have gone batshit crazy when I walk out of the room. They often look at me like that, guys. I want to know anybody else, like when you go film or you go do a look and it's kind of a more bold look or just something different from, you know, your kind of norm, so to speak. How does your family respond? Like, are they like, what the hell are you doing? Or do they just kind of, you know, expect it when you come out the room that you may look totally different from how you normally look? So that's it. And then I have this liner from Ulta Beauty. I think it'll look pretty. It's the Ulta Beauty Gel Eyeliner in Halo. That's what it looks like. And it is this beautiful kind of sheeny opalescent white with like a lot of like shimmer and reflect in it. So we're going to try it and we'll just see what it looks like. And see if it actually sticks to the waterline, which I'm not very hopeful. Well. Okay, that doesn't really work. It's quite creamy on my hand. I don't understand that. Let's put it up here maybe. And it may be, I do definitely have some residual makeup on, so it might be from that. I'm actually going to pop this kind of in the inner corner and stuff too. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's quite creamy, even applying it here. It may just be that I have some product right here, and maybe that's not why it's not sticking. So I'm not going to rule it out, because for right here, it's working beautifully. All right, I like it. I like it overall. Definitely different for me, but I think we're getting the point across. I think it looks really pretty. I'm going to go in with a JS gloss in the shade Diamond Juice. I'm choosing this. You guys know I don't have a whole lot of glosses, and this is the most kind of glittery diamond-esque one that I have. So I'm going to opt for this one. I wish I had something different to use. I know the Fenty Gloss Bomb, they have like one that's completely sheer. I think maybe the new Maybelline ones also have one that's like sheer, but with like a lot of glitter in it. So those could be beautiful options as well if you're going to do this look yourself. I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to throw on some Maybelline Sky High, and then I'll be right back and I will bid you guys adieu. All right, beauties, that is it. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Thank you, Caitlin, for collabing with me each and every single month. I always look forward to our collabs. I love using the So Jaded palette. I think it's a super universal, super well-rounded palette, and I've been enjoying it so much. So thank you all so much. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.